Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial today I will be discussing about alpha conversion in SAP BI. I will be telling you all the information like where we should use this alpha conversion and what are the features of using this conversion. So let me begin by what is this alpha conversion? And very important thing to remember that it is a SAP delivered conversion routine. So it is a kind of a routine that actually transfer your data from input format into the output format. So let me explain that. So that actually comes your features of this conversion, and very interesting to know that. And this conversion you can use when you are modeling your info object. Suppose if I give you an example of material. So here material is your info object, and here you have set the conversion routine as alpha while designing your material info object. So now, and one more thing that you have set, like the length. Suppose the length of this material number is 10, meaning that you want your material can vary from 1 to 10. That's what you have actually defined the length as 10. Suppose in the case of your material is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if you have not set this conversion routine, then in the output, suppose this side is my output. Suppose here is my output and here is the input. And if you don't set this alpha conversion, your data will be like this. And suppose in again your material like 1, 2, 3, so your output will be 1, 2, 3. But that actually does not define the length that you wanted in the output. You want this length to be 10. So what happens, if you define this conversion, what is going to happen now? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now in the output, when it will be converted, then some zeros will be added in the left side. So it will be called as right aligned data, meaning that all the data, all the input data you had, that will be actually right aligned. So what's gonna happen here? So it will be that 0, then this. So here you can see that 5 zeros are added in the left side in order to make this total length as 10. So that's what this alpha conversion does mainly. But yes, like in this case also, here it is 1 to 3, so the 7 zeros will be padded in the left side, then total it will make as 10. Now there are some other features like you have space in between the data. Like if I talk about 1, then you have some space, then again some data, again some space, then data. Then in this case also it will remove the spaces between these letters and it will add the zeros like this, and it will make your complete length as 10. That is actually the main advantage of using this conversion routine, and it is very important if you are having a kind of a central info object which is used in many places. So it is must that you should use this conversion so your data, your output looks completely standard and a right one. And alongside this I want to share one more information, like if I want to do the opposite thing, like here what we have done, that we have done kind of input to output, meaning that the external format is transferred into the internal format using this conversion method. Now if you want to do the opposite, meaning that if you want to convert from the internal format into the external format, So you can use a function module. So you might have seen in many of the places. So it is important that you should know it here in my tutorial, that conversion, exit, and it is also a SAP standard conversion routine output. So if you use this conversion method, what's happened? Your data, suppose you had these left side zeros, those zeros will be deleted and it will come back the data you had earlier, like without any zero. So this is just opposite of this what we talked about here now, alpha conversion. So this is just the opposite. If you want to do this, do from the internal structure to the external structure. The conversion exit alpha output. So that's all about this small tutorial. I believe you have understood it well, and if you have liked my tutorial, please like it and comment below if you need more further information and if you have any suggestion on this. And please also look into my other tutorials. I have given the links in the video description. Please look into this, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.